Good, happy Sunday, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's get started. The weather caused a few problems across New Hampshire early Sunday as freezing rain and rain moved through. A few thousand power outages were reported by 7:30 a.m., and a dozen of churches decided to cancel or delay services due to slippery conditions. Road crews were treating the roads, but transportation officials asked drivers to slow down until conditions improved. Speed limits were reduced to 45 miles per hour on the Spalding Turnpike Sunday morning. There were also several flights at the Boston-Manchester Regional Airport that were either canceled or delayed Sunday morning and early afternoon. If you are traveling, you are urged to check with your airline. Temperatures are expected to rise during the day on Sunday, with precipitation turning over to plain rain. The weather is expected to turn cold again Sunday night, so refreezing will likely be a concern. That does it for my news report right here on the Riley King Network. I'm Riley King reporting live here in the studio. I hope you all have a great Sunday. Goodbye, everyone.